हॅलो.
हॅलो.
नमस्कार सर, मी अमोल लाले बोलतोय. काल
या या
आपलं बोलणं ड्रॉप झालं होतं सर.
हाँ 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 हाँ. So
ओके.
Mr. Amol, what I'll do is I'll explain you everything. ठीक है, all our programs for career counseling professionals.
येस सर.
Huh? So we have designed programs for career counseling professionals, right?
ओके सर. येस सर.
So the first one is, if you don't have any certification in career counseling or a diploma or any degree in career counseling, you can start with a certification program. ठीक है, this is a 2,999 rupees certification program.
हाँ हाँ.
So this is an offline mode,
हाँ हाँ.
meaning once you make an online payment of 2,999 rupees, you would be logged into a certification dashboard, right? On the
ओके.
dashboard, there are 5 modules. This
हाँ
is
हाँ.
so basically, this career counseling certification is a foundation theory based course, right?
येस.
Just for your understanding and knowledge about the theory of career counseling, the
हाँ
kind
हाँ.
of psychometric tests,
हाँ
etc.
हाँ.
Right.
राइट.
So after making the 2,999, you would be logged into a certification dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find 5 modules. Each module would be around 10-15 minutes, 10-15 pages.
हाँ हाँ.
So around 5 modules would be around 50-55 pages. So on the
ओके.
dashboard, you can download these modules. You can complete studying these modules anytime within a month. Right, there are people who have completed in 4-5 days also, but you have a month to study all these 55 pages of module, the
ओके.
certification modules. And
ओके.
after that, on the dashboard itself, you will find a 1 hour MCQ test. ठीक है, on the this would be 120 question MCQ test. Once you clear this test, you'll have to score about 55%. Once you clear this test, automatically a career counseling certificate is unlocked. Right? So
ओके.
basically, you complete the career counseling certification after completing this test, and you are automatically awarded a career counseling certificate. So this is to equip you with the basic knowledge of career counseling. This is the theory based foundation course, 2,999 rupees, right?
ओके.
In this
हाँ.
2,999, there's a mentor program. Basically, the eligibility for the mentor program is you should at least have a certification or degree or diploma in career counseling, which after this certification, you are eligible for our mentor program, right? Now, the mentor program is a 1,000 rupees lifetime subscription, but in this certification, we are giving you this mentor program for free. The mentor program is quite similar to the certification program, but lesser duration. So once you are logged into a mentor dashboard, on the dashboard you will find couple of manuals. One would be a 10-15 minute explanatory video. Basically, we'll explain. So what we do is we take a career assessment test of student, right? The
राइट.
student comes to gives an online test. This is a 2.5 hours test, and an automated report is generated. And
ओके.
then we give this counseling to mentors. So mentors, usually the mentor's job is to explain, summarize the report, and discuss the shortlisted careers and shortlist the final career for the student. So the mentor program, the training material would include a 10-15 minute explanatory video of how to summarize the report. Okay, number one.
हाँ.
And there would be another manual, 20-30 page manual, which would include different types of degrees, courses, entrance exams. Because
ओके.
when you're giving a live counseling, right? So
राइट.
students and parents usually don't expect like theory, what is a psychometric test, etc. Right?
हाँ.
What they are looking for is, the kind of degrees, entrance exam. They're looking for informative based queries.
राइट सर.
You know? So after this program, the mentor program is designed to equip you for live counselings. So this other mentor manual, which is a 20-30 page manual, gives you knowledge about different kind of degrees, entrance exams after 12th and 10th. Right.
ओके.
So once you complete these 2 manuals, you can complete this within a day's time also. This is a shorter program.
ओके.
Once you complete studying these couple of manuals within a day, again on the dashboard and on the mentor dashboard, there'll be a 15-minute a mentor test. Right.
ओके.
Once you clear this test, automatically a mentor certificate is unlocked. So basically, in 2,999, you're getting dual certification. One is a career counseling foundation course certification, and the second is the mentor program certification, the mentor certificate. So now,
ओके.
after the mentor certificate, your profile goes live on our website. Number one. Okay, so
ओके.
you are a registered mentor with us, lifetime mentor with us, right? and your profile goes live on our website. Number two, you get a test referral link generated under your name. So this is a dedicated test referral link generated
Okay.
on the when you if, for example, if you have any referrals of students, and if you forward these your referral link to these students, any package which the student subscribes to, let's say a 12th standard student is subscribing to a 2,999 rupees package, when he makes an online payment, at the point of payment, if he's making the payment through your referral link, 40% is directly transferred to your bank account. So if he's making a 2,999 rupees payment, I think around 1,200 rupees or so, 40% of the total package directly transfers to your bank account in terms of referral fees and counseling fees, right? So once he registers, makes a payment, firstly the payment is directly 40% is split to your bank account, so it is already integrated with your bank account. Number two, you'll be able to, on the mentor dashboard, you'll be able to keep track of the number of tests the student has completed, his personal details, whatever details he's filled. You'll be able to download the report, so you'll be able to keep track of the student also. So there's a student tracker feature also on the mentor dashboard. Right? So, and then you can give him the counseling, etc. Right. Apart from that, the mentor dashboard has many other features like leads, etc. So this whole program, the 2,999 certification plus mentor program, is a dual certification program which gives you an end-to-end, like it also gives you a micro system, a micro career counseling ecosystem to start your own, freelance career counseling setup also. So this is a different program. Now, if you want to shift to the next level, like if you want to start your own brand, right? Now, what we do is we generate a subdomain under your name. So, for example, if you want to start a brand called XYZ Career Counselors, right? So we will generate a subdomain. You can let us know the name. It will take us hardly a couple of minutes to generate the subdomain. The subdomain would be XYZ Career Counselors -allegianceeducate.in/. So this would be the subdomain which would be generated under your name, right? Then you get a white label login where our website, as now when you're generating a subdomain, our website as it is, the content, the banners, everything is generated under your name, right? So you get a portal, a ready to start portal, along with forums, blogs, content, mentors. We have more than 150, 200 mentors on our portal. These portals are also visible on your white label website. Right, and a lot of other features like the career counseling packages. Everything is directly connected to your bank account. So whenever the student, so this white label is 25,000 rupees lifetime subscription. Right. So when you make a payment of 25,000 rupees, the subdomain is created. You get a login of white label, which is a fully editable website. Apart from content, everything as it is you get, but if you also want to add your own slider images, if you want to add new tabs in the menu, it's a fully editable website. You can change the contact details. Obviously, you'll be changing our phone number, right? Our email ID, the basic things about us and all these things, and you're ready to start. Apart from that, if you want to change the slider image, if you want to add new pages, any other services if you offer, it's a fully editable website, right? So it's a ready to start career counseling portal which we are giving you, and it's an editable website also for 25,000 rupees lifetime. Right now, there are no renewal charges for this portal. Your subdomain keeps going on. Right, you don't have to pay any extra amount on development. We take care of the development, updating new features. We have a new technology coming in the test. We keep coming up with features. Every day development is going on. Right, so you don't have to pay anything for that. Any development or feature added on our main website is reflected on your subdomain website also, on your white label also, right? So the advantage which you get is in 25,000 rupees lifetime, you don't need to spend anything on development. We spend lakhs and lakhs on development, but you don't have to spend anything. And we make sure that, you are ahead of the competitors in India. Like our future projects are, face recognition technology to appeal students, right? So all these technologies keep coming up. And this would be reflected on your white label portal also. Now, apart from that, now the revenue generation. Now, there are two revenue generation models here on your website. One is you can a student, obviously career counseling. Any student coming to your white label portal, there are different packages, right? You will have to top up these packages. Now, so since you're starting new, right, you can top up with a minimum of 20 career assessment tests. You will have to top up these career assessment tests, right? So when, let's say you have topped up 20 career assessment tests, so every time till the 20 test, the whole amount, the whole package amount is directly transferred to your bank account, right? So if a student till 20 tests, any payment 2,999 rupees or 2,499 rupees or 3,499 rupees, any package the student buys till 20 units, the whole amount is transferred to your bank account, right? As soon as you're exhausted, like if you feel that these 20 tests are getting over, you can again top up top up your plans, right, with 20 more tests. If you feel you're getting good response and the number of tests are getting exhausted pretty quickly, then you can top up with 50, 100, 250 tests also. So as the number of top up of the career assessment test increases, the price per test decreases, right? So the more number of tests you top up, the less you have to pay for the per price unit of the career assessment test. Right. Now, this is one revenue generation model, obviously, career counseling of students, right? Second is you can also make mentors under your brand. So basically, when the student for career counseling, when the student gives the test and everything, and when the automated report is generated, your logo, your name, everything on the report would be your logo, your name, your brand would be present automatically, right? So anything happening on the website, any activity happening on the website, your brand, your logo is present automatically. Whatever logo you have uploaded on your white label login, or whatever name you have edited, whatever mobile number, email ID, everything is reflected all across the website, plus on the student report, automated report also, which is generated. Number two, the second revenue generation model, which is mentors. You can make mentors under your brand also. Now, so for example, if you have any any career counselor who wants to be a mentor, become a mentor under your brand, right? This is also, and you will also, these are also units. Now, mentor program is 1,000 rupees lifetime subscription, the one which I explained you earlier, right? So you can make mentors under your brand. They come to your website, they pay 1,000 rupees. Automatically, they are logged into their mentor dashboard. They complete the training material and they give the mentor test. Automatically, mentor certificate is generated. The same thing, right? And then the certificate is generated under your brand, like your logo. So the mentor certificate also, if a candidate is subscribing to a mentor certificate, that is also under, the certificate is also generated under your logo. Okay, so this is the second revenue generation model. If you want to make career counselors under your brand across India. Right. Apart from that, we are also coming up with career counseling certification also. But as of now, that is not developed, but that will be developed soon. So that will be a third revenue generation model. Right. But as of now, mentor program, you can subscribe under your white label portal, and everything happens through your brand. Right. So basically, look, career counseling is a very, according to KPMG and Ernst Young and HRD of Ministry of India reports, and career counseling alone is a 5,000 CR rupees market, right, which is still untapped. There is a large gap between career counselors needed to fulfill the student requirement, the student career counseling requirement. So we need career counselors also, which through the mentor program, you can make career counselors across India, and students are also looking for career counseling. So that is also our primary main revenue generation model. right? So basically, the mentor program, what we do is when a student makes a, so we also usually fix up appointments with mentors. If there is a mentor, let's say there's a mentor in Bangalore, if a student comes to us, right,
हाँ
we assign the student to that particular mentor. The mentor goes to that particular place in Bangalore, uh, and the mentor delivers the counseling, and we pay them around 600 rupees per counseling for face to face. As of now, we are in video counseling mode, so we are paying around 400 rupees per counseling, right? So that is even under your brand. If you are giving counseling to any mentor, you will have to pay them like 400, 600 rupees as per the mode, whichever mode of counseling is going on.
okay.
Right. So basically, this is a pan India project, right? Not just if you're based in Pune, let's say you're based in Navi Mumbai, right?
हाँ
If you get a student in Delhi, right, who is looking for face to face counseling, that will not be a problem. We have a career counselor mentor who has completed the mentor program in Delhi, right?
हाँ
On your white label dashboard, you will see the whole database of mentors, right? Our mentors are all across India. So for
correct.
you, nothing would be a hurdle. You can call this mentor in Delhi, right? You can let them know that we want to fix up the counseling, and you can pay the counselor whatever. So basically, the student, um, our presence, our physical presence also is there across India via white labels, via mentors. We have mentors across India, so I mean it's a pan India project. And I mean, video counseling, so anyways, it doesn't matter where the student or the mentor is located right now.
ठीक है
So,
सर.
so these are the programs. The certification and the mentor program combined is 2,999 rupees. The white label is 25,000 rupees plus top up plans. If you're going for a minimum, you can go for 20,000 rupees top up plan, which are 20, which are no 10,000 rupees top up plan, which are 20 tests. So basically, I will give you the certification plus mentor program free of 2,999 if you're going for the white label. So meaning I'm giving you a 3,000 rupees worth of mentor plus certification program free. Plus, you can go for the 25,000 rupees lifetime white label portal.
पोर्टल.
Plus, you can go for a minimum top up plan, and you don't need to like top up like 100 or 250 tests. 250, I think, is around 40,000 rupees or so. So you don't need to do that, because initially, you just want to test the market, and you might not get like too many counselings in the first month or the second month. Right? So
Right.
you might need only 20 tests as of now. So you can start with a minimum of 25 plus 10,000, 35,000 rupees with the white label with the white label portal plus 20 tests. Plus we are giving you the certification and the mentor program also free in this.
Okay.
So I'll WhatsApp you all the details. I'll WhatsApp you the top up plans. I'll WhatsApp you the white label portal. There's a demo login also of the white label, and you can have a check on like what are the features in white label, etc. So any questions, sir?
नो सर, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं सर.
नहीं.
सब समझ में आया, और आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से बताया कि कैसे करना है एग्जैक्टली. पूरे जो प्लान्स वगैरह है वो भी.